descend des mains, descend des jambes. You don't need to do a new correction. No, I need to do a correction. No, I need to do a correction because you want to. No, not. To work the horse vertical. I check that the beat is correct. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, one moment. Okay. Okay, now I want to see how his mouth is. So now you have, your reins are smaller, finer, huh? They are smaller. So now you need to have more contact. Yeah. Because when you have bigger reins, like for example in the Western, they are big, they are heavy, you don't need so many contact who is straight. You can hang, the reins can hanging a little bit. Okay, now you ask a little bit collection. And you remember, yesterday I told you, when you look for a collection, you do it in a circle. So the horse is a little bit bending, so it's easier. You see? It's easier. And we always want that the nose is straight. Also when you have a long neck or a short neck, like now your short neck, always the nose need to be looking down. Huh? Okay, ask other time collection. Good, yes. Okay, now you don't lose the collection, huh? More collection, more. And then you go in trot. Take also your second reins when you want. Ask more and take a circle here. Okay. Okay, now you can change the circle. Come here. Okay. Take in your left hand, take the second rein a little bit shorter. With the wind. You here, more so. Okay. And wait a little bit. Don't make it. It's too loose. Okay, beautiful. More collection, the neck on the highest point. Yes. And now you ask a traversal. Or shoulder inside, you ask shoulder in trot. Yeah, cadi. All the time. Don't lose him, eh? Don't lose him. And your body, relax. Don't take it over in the front. Anita, when you do this, when you go do, then the horse loses weight. Yeah, okay. Okay. The weight is too much in the front, then he loses balance and he needs to find a new balance, huh? So you destroyed his rhythm. Okay. You're gonna stress him. Not so much inside hand, and your inside hand is, Anita, your inside hand is always so. No. Take the boat together. Boat together. Together. Yeah. With contact, with contact. With contact. More contact, more contact. When you do an exercise or you go straight, it's the same. Still you look that you have contact with the horse, that you don't lose the horse, that he don't open his body. Also, when you do an exercise, you need to look for the collection, huh? To take your horse shorter, that he don't open his body. Huh? His body always need to be short. Huh? Your hand is too soft. He needs to accept your. He's fighting a little bit against your hand. He looks for a position that he don't need to work so hard with his muscles. So you need to ask him the good muscles to train, huh? Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Okay. We do a stop? No, I gonna write him a little bit, huh? I gonna sit on him. Oh, the spares. Oops. Okay. Voila. You see, I ask a little bit stronger, and now it's okay. Now you accept my hand. Voila. Voila. Hey. Every time it takes me 5 minutes to correct him because you are too soft with him. Not too soft. Not too soft because you are soft, but in the beginning, what? You ask very clear. Now he's good. Now he's good. Oh, okay. To put his position. And that's the old French method, huh? From Baucher, La Guérinière. So they say, ask the horse that he look for his balance that you ask, and then let him, huh? Descend des mains, descend des jambes. You don't need to do a new correction. Now I need to do a correction. Now I need to do a correction because you want to No, not. Descend des mains, descend des jambes. That's the expression, huh? Expression. Oh. You see, I control every step in gallop. Every tack is controlled. He don't run away. He's completely in one. Oh, we are completely one, huh? We are completely dancing together, huh? He go in my rhythm that I ask, huh? He never runs away, and I don't take him here, because that I do with my body. And I go and ask more, or slower. Or quicker. Or slower. So, and how more slowly he go, how more the neck need to be higher. Because then, with his energy, he needs to go up, not horizontal. Then at that moment, we start to work the horse vertical, huh? Vertical. Oh. Okay. Enough for him, huh? So you understand?
Yes.